15th in the league, you would think.
Yep. I don't think the Warriors mind them taking quick shots. They answer right back. It's unfortunate.
David West. Yeah, Draymond would know. Play Ellington for the three exclusively. And Durant. He can feast on Olynyk at the center spot. Dion Waiters is 1 of 8. He relied on him for 20 a game. And Curry hits another 3. Dion Waiters will flip. Durant saw that lob the whole way.
He was ready. What a pass.
Steph flipping it up and in. Wonderful.
Yeah, that's a pretty nice ratio, 19-3. What's he got here?
Oh, Steph! The magical move!
We knew something was coming. That's a good thing we haven't talked about it.
Dragic blocked by Jordan Bell. Oh, we got the Dragon up top. Nick Young, trail 3. Nicely done, set up. Durant throwing the hell. And Bell hammering that one.
Well, Bell missed the easy dunk.
Into the second round as well. He is special. Durant 3. Didn't use all the clock.
No, but he got his rhythm there.